Welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the client updating slow issue in Valorant. First, close the Riot Client completely. Then, find the Riot Client shortcut on your desktop. Right-click it and choose Run as administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to install updates properly and can fix slow updating problems. Next, allow the Riot Client through the Windows Firewall. Open the Start menu and search for Allow an app through Firewall. Open it, click Change Settings and look for Riot Client in the list. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This prevents Windows from blocking the connection during updates. Another quick fix is to pause and resume the update. Open the Riot Client, pause the download for a few seconds, then resume it again. This refreshes the connection and may improve the download speed. You should also clear your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After that, restart your computer and launch Valorant again. Thanks for watching.